Today I'll show how to prepare delicious chicken fried rice. Chicken breast half kg, vinegar 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 1 tablespoon, corn flour half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon. Marinate the chicken with vinegar, soya sauce, cornstarch and black pepper. Vinegar, soya sauce, cornstarch, black pepper. Mix well. Marinate the chicken for 30 minutes. Olive oil 3 tablespoon, crushed fresh garlic 1 tablespoon, crushed fresh ginger 1 tablespoon, onion 3 piece, chicken powder 1 tablespoon, white pepper 2 tablespoon, yellow capsicum 2 piece, green capsicum 1 piece, red capsicum 1 piece, cabbage 1 cup. Boiled rice with salt 2 cups, egg 5 pieces, spring onion half cup, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, red peppers 6 piece, green pepper 4 piece, salt 1 teaspoon. Add half teaspoon jada powder and half teaspoon salt with the eggs. Salt, jada powder. Now mix well. Egg mixture is ready. In a hot pan, add olive oil. Garlic, ginger, fry it for 2 minutes on high flame. Now add marinated chicken. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes on high heat. Add cabbage, red capsicum, yellow capsicum and green capsicum. Onion, spring onion, salt green peppers, red peppers. Now mix well. Add chicken powder, white pepper. Mix well. Spread eggs. Now let it set for 2 minutes. Now mix it. Now add boiled rice. Add soya sauce and 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Now mix well. My chicken fried rice is ready. Now serve in a dish. My chicken fried rice is stuffed with chicken, vegetables and rice. It is a complete, healthy and delicious meal. Enjoy this recipe. If this recipe helpful for you, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel Health is Beauty.